Hi guys, good morning. I'm just waking up and today is the day that I start my training for bridal hairstyling and makeup. So I'm about to bath, get ready and be on my way to my training center. So you guys should just stay tuned and enjoy the rest of this vlog. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious, and if you're returning,
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Hi guys, so I'm currently on my way for the training. I'm done dressing up and I've showed you guys my outfit of the day. So let's go together to my training and see what happens today, okay?
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
That one that is two. Anything you just to make things balance. So this one is three. Whatever you do to this side, do to the other side. So you can be doing small videos.
I'm not
when they're doing hi guys, she will not be there.
Next morning.
Jokes come off so ruthless. Bye bye, you can miss me with that.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love.
Next morning.
Got drunk off your love, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't on the break, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves, far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger.
The following day. The next day.
So when you're applying this thing, you're not pressing it down too much. If you press it too much, it will enter where it's not supposed to enter. Because here is scanty, I'm not going to plug this side in much. I take another one, I take another section. If it's on the person's hair, you know you will not be spraying water from inside. Hair is coming out too. And that is why you don't do these things in front of your clients. Before they will shout, yay, my hair. So that is why it's best you tell them, bring your hair up.
The next morning.
Maybe inwards, pressure. Now, do you know notice the difference when I'm doing a Hollywood coil and a normal coil?
Yes.
Now, a normal coilage, I am putting it in. Just putting. But for
For
a
that one, you're
Hollywood coil,
twisting it.
that is what gives it the wave. You come out. They are coming together. Okay. Now, you still come by your side. Put your hand here.
That's reduced.
Who is twinning with you? You're not my twin. CJ is my twin.
Aww. On video record. I will show him. Oh yeah, rotate. No, you're doing like modeling bake. Thank you.
The following day. Early the next morning.
Our first bridal job, right?
Later.
Because I don't used to think to like certain, but you people might need it. Arrange it because some it might come out in the video.
Angel, angel, heaven. No. I hope you know that you're entering.
Rubbish score is done by Yang.
Child.
Spray your hair and arrange your flyouts.
Girls' hearts.
Snowy.
I wanted to contain also.
I wanted to record your hair.
Wanted. That means you're not doing it again.
I should record it now, Abi.
And you think they are normal. Then when I see all those signs, I will not come and start talking. They just they come.
When they say, what are you feeling like? Holier than thou. Holier than thou. They go come.
They told me that I'm a Christian now.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something. Out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead.
never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel